sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jalao ba Presiden Tynsong habai kren halor ka jingker sainar ha Khappud ulaong ba ka jaka ka ba kimpat ker ha Khappud jong ka India bat Bangladesh kalong sa kumba sanpo kilometer ai bat ka sorkar kala persyang kat bala ba kaniru kinla ban kerno hanrei kidon ki jingye ki ba ki yakendo ulong ka wei ki jingye ka dei ba ki jaka ka ba kidon ki trai jaka bat ki Rangba Shnong ki baong balada ka jingker kanyat na ka jaka ka ba kimut banbu ka jaka ka jongki kan kalano ka jaka ka bamla ban pendonkam balada ka longkumta ka sorkar India ka haban siu bai lutksan ya gitu ki jaka ki bahap sabar jong ka jingker kata ka dei ka wei kamat ka ba ki padba ki pensngau bat nagaleng jong ka sorkar kilara ya kani shah sorkar India habide bergijingwar rungtu jong ki beriu nagaleng ba presun ulaong bak sorkar India kalbata ki BSF bat ki sorkar jela manlong ki ba husiar bat petngor bat bakanam don kejingwar rong tu jong ki beriu na ki pat kiri.
How much is remained on fence, sir?
The remaining on fence in the entire India Bangladesh border is about more or less around 50 something kilometers that we have, and we are trying our best to make sure that this 50 odd kilometers be again fenced. But again, saying that again some challenges we are facing. Number one is again the land issue, because some landowners and then the Rangba Shnong, the headman, they said if the fencing has to go from here, then the maximum of the land falls to the no man's land. If that is the case, then government of India has to pay us the compensation, even those area which falls outside the fencing. That is the opposition from the landowners. So these issues, in fact, it is very genuine issue, and we are taking up with the Ministry of Home Affairs to convince the government of India not to do the compensation only the stretch of those construction fencing, but it should be also the land which is outside the fencing. They need to also account this loss, which directly affect the livelihood of the landowners and the people of the state.
Sir, pending the resolving of this on-fence border, what steps the government will take considering the prevailing situation in Bangladesh and the concern of infiltration? What steps?
Well, right now, I think Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has issued a very, very strict regulation to the border security forces as well as to the government, to this respective state government, to be more proactive, making sure that no infiltrators happens in this entire stretch of the Indo-Bangla border. That is number one. And number two, as far as BSF is concerned, I think even the additional forces has been also placed in those vulnerable places.
Sir, any update on the